Hello, I'm Tutor Nick. Welcome to video 6 in my series on the English language. In this video we will learn how to write the second 13 letters of the English alphabet in small letters, sometimes called lowercase letters. So let's go straight away to the desk. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Well done! You have now learnt how to write the English alphabet in both capital and lowercase letters. In the next videos, we are going to see how to use these letters to make English words and how to pronounce them. I hope you've enjoyed my videos and that you will continue to watch. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to be notified of new videos as they appear. And also, don't forget to give me a like. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.